Welcome all of you to the FTP Robotics Show. Today we are going to see how to make a series testing lamp. You will need 2 pieces of wood, a filament bulb with its holder, some nails and a wire with an AC plug top. First of all, we should fix the holder to the piece of wood. And now we should cut a hole to take the wire out which is coming from the holder. Now we should take the wire out of the holes as shown in the video. And then we should keep the wall mount of the holder in place and fix it with a nail. And now let's make a stand for the series testing lamp. Now let's fix the holder as shown in the video. And now fix the wires according to the diagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share among your friends. Stay tuned until we meet with the next video.